Hi everybody. Today is 21st of May, and this morning we already have a scenario for FCPO and fbmkl. Sorry about the post that the first post is wrong because we in the post name we mentioned about FCPO, but the inside is fbmkl, but you already change the name already. Okay, come back to our graph. Now, I just want to refer to my post on today around 10:28 is high time. When I post this, right, I already mentioned about this. Because we draw this line and said this line is a benchmark. What is a benchmark? This benchmark is me if price have chance to move up and hit this target as I mentioned they should watch and range. This morning, right, we already count this. The ratio between T1 and T2 is wrong. T1 and T2 is equal. That means they didn't hit target down. Okay, after they didn't hit target down, if they didn't hit target up, that means have chance to become sideways in future. Refer from our Fibonacci ARTT Fibonacci. This picture, right, we draw is based on watch and range. If price can watch and range, that means they can run up. You can measure this as A, B, C. This is the target. Okay, this is mentioned about fbmkl. If we refer to chart, right, you already saw this. This is very important. Why important? You see, right? We already draw this scenario. This scenario is mentioned about price cannot watch and range. Cannot watch and range, cannot move up. If you not art member, if you don't understand, you cannot follow because you may confuse because you didn't have our basic knowledge. Okay, we discuss about probability for tomorrow. Now price cannot hit up because when we point A, B, C, they cannot hit up, but now they already hit down. If they already hit down, right, what we should analyze? I just want you to see this scenario. Okay. If you try to compare between psychology for buyer, it's quite equal. But when you look for scenario this and scenario this is different. That means seller is more aggressive. Okay, seller is more aggressive. If tomorrow, right, okay, come back here. Now market move higher high and market move lower low. Higher high and lower low is means sideways. Sideways, that means price have chance to move up. Okay, price have chance to move up. But because of if you point this A, B, C, target is very far. Target is very far, that means difficult to hit target. I just want you to compare between psychology here, buyer, and psychology that have chance to happen for tomorrow. If tomorrow, right, price is moved up, same aggressive with this buyer, that means price have chance to break above this high. If price rebound and look less aggressive, you need to take care. Maybe market maybe have chance to retrace again. Okay, just let me summary. Tomorrow, right, from this sideway, price have chance to rebound. Maybe they gap down first and rebound, or maybe they rebound. After they rebound, you must compare between this psychology and this psychology. Which one more is mean? If this last one, same aggressive, price maybe have chance to run away up to break above this again. If this less aggressive than this, that means it's low chance. Okay. Come back to chart. This chart, right, is I already mentioned on around 2 p.m. Thai time. That means we already saw FCPO have chance to retrace. In this case, right, we try to compare between ARTT version 2 and Fibonacci retracement. That means this is a level for Fibonacci retracement. From this angle, right, that means they have chance to retrace in zone 3 if you refer to ARTT version 2. If we come back to chart and we look for this, okay. Now, when we mention, right, price around here, that means tomorrow we may wait what happened, they will retrace around here or not. Okay. If price retrace around here or here, right, in terms of big picture, if price cannot move lower than this, if price retrace here cannot move lower than this, that means it's positive for up. If they're positive for up, right, if reversal pattern confirm, I think you already know what you should do. Okay. And if we consider come back about Thai index, set 50 set index, as we mentioned, right, if you follow our video, we apply Fibonacci A, B, C. This is target. If price cannot retrace lower than this, right, that means it's positive for up. But for target up, it's still quite far. Quite far is mean difficult to hit. Difficult to hit if buyer not aggressive enough to drive market up very fast. Thai index may sideways for a few times. This is my scenario for Thai index. Okay, and if we go to another product. Okay, we start from oil. In this case, right, oil is still move up. Still move up. If you don't have any position, I just want you to apply ARTT Fibonacci to measure. After measure, target is multiplied by 0.618. 0.618 is around here. Okay, that means if oil can hit this target, okay, that means it's positive. If they hit and retrace, right, I just want you to apply Fibonacci, apply RTT version 2 to look for N3 signal. Okay, and if we look for gold, now gold is retrace. In this retrace, right, in this retrace is not so good for power because the ratio when they retrace, right, it look bigger. When you want to N3, right, you already have chance. If you didn't see strong reversal up, maybe it's not good for you to N3. And strong reversal up, right, they need to move and higher than 1,313. But this level, right, is also resistant very strong. Why resistance very strong? Because this resistance, right, is correlate between head of gangster level and previous high or previous low. That means 1,000, 313 is very strong. Very strong, right? That means if we didn't see any strong reversal in future, that means difficult to move up. This is just my opinion. To apply my opinion in trading, right? You need to apply your own experience. This is just a shared idea. Market always dynamic. Dynamic is mean they can change every time. If market change and you don't know how to change your scenario in time, that means you have chance to lose money. This is my suggestion. Hope you enjoy and trading, and hope you work hard enough to become good and success trader in future. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.